What if a single LinkedIn profile link could instantly generate a complete enriched profile summary? Hello, I'm Rahul Joshi. In this video, I'll show you an automated workflow that takes a LinkedIn profile URL, enriches it with Apollo data, extracts key details, and generates a clean HTML profile card ready for instant viewing. Step 1. Receive LinkedIn URL via webhook. This webhook starts the workflow when a post request is received. It accepts a LinkedIn profile URL in the request body. Step 2. Fetch profile data from Apollo API. This HTTP request node sends the LinkedIn URL to the Apollo People Match API. It retrieves enriched profile and company data based on that LinkedIn profile. Step 3. Normalize and extract key profile fields. This code node cleans the Apollo response and extracts only the important fields. It structures details like name, title, email, location, seniority, current company role history, and organization data into a cleaner format. Step 4. Build HTML profile cards. This code node converts the normalized profile data into a styled HTML page. It creates a profile card showing personal details, company information, links, and the organization's technology stack. Step 5. Return the HTML profile page. This response node sends the generated HTML back through the webhook response. The caller instantly receives a rendered profile summary page. This is how automation turns simple profile links into structured insights. If you value intelligent, execution-ready systems, subscribe. I'll see you in the next build.